Not everyone can become a great artist, but a great artist can come from anywhere.
Guys, can't believe it. You see? The Niagara Falls is behind me. Hey guys,
beautiful.
we're
See?
crossing the
USA.
border.
That is observatory.
That's the
Look at
Niagara
that.
Falls.
That is
one.
bridge. That's built for those Canadian American. They couldn't crossing. They don't want to crossing the border, and only place they can look. All right. So next time you come down here, you can take the boat ride. All right. An hour is okay, about noon time we're gonna stop for lunch, okay? And this period I let everybody relax and I try to find something, okay? And we will discuss where is available for the bus, okay?
A few moments later.
Guys, welcome to United States. Nakapasok na kami and we're heading to Philadelphia. So ito na nga. Maghanap muna kami ng makakain dito kasi mahaba yung biyahe papuntang Philadelphia. So kailangan makakain muna tayo. We have 4 hours to travel going to Philadelphia, and as what you notice, they have Shake Shack, Starbucks, Auntie Anne's, Apple Green, chicken fillet, meron sila dito guys. Pwede tayo dyan. So yun na nga. Sa Philadelphia, we will be having a tour at Liberty Hall and Independence Bell. Ang haba ng pila sa chicken fillet. This is Starbucks. Ito yung pinakasikat din sa USA, yung chicken fillet. They have a good chicken, but the thing is, mahaba yung pila. We have to wait. Sabi nga nila, there's no glory without sacrifice. So, kailangan natin maghintay. Or else, dyan ako babagsak, Starbucks. Wala masyadong pila. Kasi wala tayong makakain dyan. Hi! So guys, ito na nga yung binili natin. Chick-fil-A. We have cookies and cream. And chicken nuggets.
Years later.
Hey guys! So yun na nga. Nakarating lang namin dito sa Philadelphia and kaka-check-in lang namin dito sa Holiday Inn Express here in Philadelphia. And I'll give you a quick tour of my room as usual. So, this one. So, as you enter, this is the door. So, on my left side, nandito yung vault box nila. We have iron, ayan, may mga hanger dito, lagayan ng luggages, and as you go along, on my right, we have the toilet or the bathroom here, which is mayroong bathtub, your toilet bowl, and your water sink or your vanity mirror. Then, of course, your big mirror for your OOTD. Then, of course, this is the bed. That one is our bed. So, yun na nga. Kung mapapansin natin, malaki siya. It's a king-size bed. Then, this is my view outside my room. My God.
One eternity later.
So guys, outfit check muna tayo bago tayo umalis. Kasi hindi pa ako kumain, hindi pa tayo nakapag-breakfast. So we're still, making it fast. Yes, that's me. Ay, come on, let's go. Baka hinihintay tayo ng mga kasama natin. Good morning guys! So, eto na nga. Nasa Philadelphia na kami and we are walking, going to the tourist spot. We will be having a photo. So, it's 7:45 in the morning here in Philadelphia. What a wonderful world because it's not raining, hindi masyadong mainit, hindi masyadong malamig. So, it's a good weather. Years ago, Philadelphia used to be the capital city of United States, and as you could observe, there are a lot of buildings here. Ang laki ng mga building nila dito. You would be amazed. Kain na ba tayo? Guys, welcome to concrete jungle of Philadelphia. This one. Ang lalaki ng mga building sila dito. Inaatake tayo ng allergic rhinitis natin. Sobrang baho kasi. May mga parts din ng state na ito na mabaho din eh. So yun na nga guys. This is Philadelphia, and Philadelphia also known as the state of brotherlyhood. So, naghihintay kami kasi pang alas 8 pa yata ito magbubukas. So, ang daming naghihintay guys. Iniikot lang yata namin yung building na to eh. Maglalakad pa rin tayo, and this Philadelphia is the 6th largest city in the United States. See that? So we are waiting to cross over.
A few moments later.
So guys, we will be heading to Philadelphia Museum of Art. Let's go! Come on! Five minutes lang tayo dito. We have to make it fast. Sulitin natin yung time. Yan na nga. That's it. The Philadelphia Museum of Art. Yan si Rocky Balboa. Alam natin na sumikat siya dito sa movie na yan, which is the Rocky. And taga Philadelphia siya. So guys, ito yung kanilang national park. This is their American history, which is makikita natin. These are the map of Independence Mall. That's the Independence Hall. And we would be heading over there. Guys, so that's the Independence Hall. One of the most iconic here in the United States, which is it was built for the Declaration of Independence of the United States. Natin yung Liberty Bell, which is pinatunog nila nung nagkaroon na sila ng independence. This one.
"2,000 years later."
Back to New Hampshire, Canada, south, which is going down to Florida. One of the busier freeway of eastern part of United States.